Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Alyssa, and for all of you that are new here, please, you know what to do. Take a second, hit that subscribe button. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Obviously, you wouldn't know that until you watch it first, so make sure that you watch it. This, I know, is going to be kind of a rushed video. Not really, but only because I am doing my first grocery haul. I went to Trader Joe's. I am actually starting Monday the keto diet. This has been like the biggest trend, of course. There's always like a fad, like a diet trend that's going on. But I was doing a little bit of research into this one and it seemed pretty interesting to me. I went to Trader Joe's and I did a bunch of shopping. I spent like 80 bucks. I have 3 full bags of groceries, 3 full. They're heavy. And these are a bunch of stuff. I don't want to say that they're random because I did buy some stuff to like eat together, but I just got a bunch of groceries to eat throughout the week. Hopefully I can spread this out into the next 2 weeks. That would be ideal. I did a little bit of research. I'm not going to say I was doing like hours on hours of research into like what 100% you can eat on keto, but I think hopefully a pretty good job in selecting most of the things that I got. So I'm gonna stop talking and we're just gonna get into it. Okay, so like I said, I have 3 large bags and a lot of it is stuff specifically to eat on keto, but then just a few things because like I said, I'm planning on starting on Monday. Today is Friday. I just got a few things for over the weekend, you know, like that last hurrah before you stop eating certain things, drinking certain things. So some of the things here are not allowed on keto, but they're for the weekend, so they'll be consumed by the time I start this whole thing on Monday. The first thing I got was a half gallon of almond milk. I got the unsweetened vanilla flavor. I usually get vanilla, but I was trying to look up why everything that I saw about keto, they just said unsweetened, but I couldn't really find anything. If anyone knows, just let me know. So I just went ahead and did the unsweetened like I was reading everywhere I looked. The next thing I got was almond butter. I have never actually purchased almond butter before for some reason. I've only had like little tastes of it, but this is just the Trader Joe's creamy almond butter and it is the salted kind. They do have different versions of this one. One is creamy salted like this, the other one is creamy unsalted, and they also have crunchy salted and then crunchy unsalted. I like creamy peanut butters, so I got a creamy almond butter. I got 2 seasonings to go on just various things. The first one is the Everything But the Bagel Sesame Seasoning Blend with sea salt, garlic, and onion. I have been seeing a lot of people talk about this. It seemed pretty good just to put on like almost anything. So yeah, I decided I'd try it and it was only $2, so it's pretty cheap anyway. And then I just got some more of the Himalayan pink salt crystals. Of course it's salt. Who doesn't put salt on everything? So these are the 2 seasonings that I got. My plan for this week, this coming work week, is to make chia seed pudding for breakfast for Monday to Friday. With that, I had to get chia seeds, and I had a pretty bad experience with chia seeds before. I know you're probably thinking, what? Maybe some other time I will delve deeper into that, but right now just know in the past I've had a pretty bad experience with chia seeds. I'm over it, hence why I purchased some more, and I will be putting this in almond milk and some yogurt or something. I don't know, probably very unprepared of myself, but we're gonna get through it. The next thing I got was 1 sole avocado. I'm not gonna need a lot of avocado. I'm not gonna eat a lot of avocado either, so I just got 1. It's still a little hard, so maybe it has like another day or 2 to ripe. I really don't know how long it takes for them to ripen up, but I just feel it whenever it's soft enough, then I'll cut it open and use it. So I kind of got last hurrah items. This is just a side note basically in this entire video, but I found out that on keto you cannot drink beer. Beer is probably the #1 alcohol that I drink, so when I found that out, I was like, wow. If it's not beer, it's like a vodka cranberry, something like that. I decided to have one last hurrah, and I picked up a Modelo and this random It's a cider. It's called Original Sin. I've actually never looked at all of the choices that they have, but get this. This was $1.42 for one beer. You go to a bar and they charge you $6-7 for one beer. Starting with bag number 2, I got a thing of eggs. These are just regular white eggs, nothing special, 99 cents. Can't go wrong with that, super cheap. I really gotta go through these quickly because I'm sitting in my room doing this and I have a lot of produce in here that really needs to get in the fridge. The next thing I have is some cheese. This is just regular sharp cheddar, the Trader Joe's brand. And yeah, this will go on a lot of things. The eggs, yeah, a lot. You can put cheese on anything. Then I got some romaine hearts. So what I'm planning on doing with this is I also bought some chicken, and I have other deli meats which I'll just show you, and I'm planning on just putting the chicken in here and putting some cheese, hummus, just random stuff. We're just trying to make it through, you know? So like I said, I got chicken. This is just the grilled lemon pepper chicken. Might as well just go for something that's already cooked. Saves me some more time and I don't have to worry about seasoning chicken. The next thing I got was the maple turkey breast, just a couple slices. Yeah, pretty simple, just a random deli meat. Also, with the last hurrah, I'm planning on making this tonight. So it is the mandarin orange chicken and vegetable fried rice. So yeah, I need at least 3 more cheat meals before we get started into this. Not that keto is really cheating, because you're basically eating a lot of fatty foods, which is what you really crave, like cheese and all that stuff. So it's not that much of a sacrifice. I'm just being overdramatic. The next thing is this mashed cauliflower, which I actually cannot wait to try. I tried cauliflower gnocchi before. That was a disaster. I didn't like it, but I do like cauliflower, so I am gonna try this one and probably just mix it with some butter and see what it's like. The next 2 things that I got are just some Colby Jack slices of cheese and some uncured turkey bacon for breakfast basically, or for any other meal that I want to eat these with. So I got some baby carrots and the roasted red pepper hummus. Obviously this will go together, it just makes a good snack. I'll probably end up taking some of this to work with me as well, just to have something to eat. It's very easy, so that's what we want. We want something easy because I don't like to cook. Not saying I can't, I just don't like to. It takes, like, I'm just lazy when it comes to that. Like, I'd rather just buy things, as you can see from all of the things here, that are very simple and easy to make. Then I got some bagged greens. I got the, what is this called? Champs Ulysses green leaf lettuce, frisee, radicchio, and carrots. So yeah, I got 2 bags of these. These were only $1.50. So this will make maybe like 4 salads, and I can add like some chicken in there and just some extra stuff to make it a little bit more filling. And then for like smoothies and stuff, I do have to look up recipes for like keto smoothies, but I did get a bag of baby spinach. Again, this was like just $1.50. And to go in smoothies, I have a Greek whole milk yogurt, and this is just plain. You can also add some like chia seeds in here and other stuff. I got blueberries, which is just this little package right here, and blueberries, Greek yogurt, spinach, chia seeds, almond milk. That makes a pretty good smoothie. So I'll probably do that for like a snack at some point. And the last thing that I got, again, it's not for keto, it's just something that I wanted to try. Please let me know if you tried this before and how you like it. It is the banana and almond butter protein smoothie beverage with coconut water and pea protein. And I just really hope it's good. I'm not a fan of coconut water, but I'm hoping that the banana and the almond butter kind of cancels out that flavor. And I'm probably, you know, let's try it right now, because I did buy it to drink right now, so let's see. Ooh, it's not smelling so hot. Oh my god! Okay, it's tasting a little different right now, but it's not the best. It's not. The green smoothie from Trader Joe's is a lot better, and these things are like $4. But yeah, guys, that is everything that I bought. Again, I spent about $80. It was $79.22 to be exact, but I did get a bunch of stuff that will last me, like I said, hopefully for the next 2 weeks once I start on Monday. It is a lot of fresh stuff, so that might not last for the full 2 weeks, but I do have like eggs and like just other random stuff here and there. I'll make it work. If you guys enjoy this video, please once again go ahead, hit the subscribe button, give it a thumbs up, subscribe. Just please subscribe. If I haven't hit 200 already, by the time I'm filming this, I'm almost at 200 subscribers. Again, it's not a lot by any means, but it's a lot for anyone that watches me. That's a lot of people in my book. So thanks guys for taking the time to hit that subscribe button. And yeah, hope you enjoy it, and I'll see all of you guys next time. Bye.